I bought and tested these coding robots so you don't have to waste your money. If you're looking to introduce your kids to coding and STEM in a fun and interactive way, stay tuned. I've got 5 amazing options that promise to ignite your child's curiosity and creativity. Product number 1, TeachCheck Mech 5. The TeachCheck Mech 5 was an eye-opener for me. At first glance, it looks like a collection of parts waiting to be assembled, and I was up for the challenge. The assembly process was hands-on and engaging, taking me almost 2 hours to get everything just right. It's a mission-based robot that not only lets kids build their own mechanical coding robot, but also teaches them about mechanical engineering principles. What really makes it stand out is the coding wheel, where you snap different coding buttons to instruct the robot to throw, lift, kick, or even draw. I watched my kids' faces light up as they realized they could control its movements with their chosen commands. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this robot is incredibly engaging for kids 10 and older. It nurtures problem-solving skills and creativity. The hands-on building aspect is a huge plus. Kids get a real sense of accomplishment once they've completed it. However, the downside is that it requires 2 AAA batteries which aren't included, and the assembly can be a bit complex for younger kids without adult supervision. So why should you consider buying the TeachCheck Mech 5? If you're looking for something that truly teaches kids about coding and engineering while being fun, this is a fantastic option. It's not just a toy, it's an educational experience that lays the groundwork for future STEM learning. Product number 2, Thames & Cosmos My Robotic Pet Coding Chameleon. When I first opened the Thames & Cosmos Coding Chameleon, I was taken aback by how interactive it was. Built for kids aged 8 and up, this robotic reptile can respond to gestures, change colors, and even fire its retractable tongue. What caught my attention was its innovative use of color sensors and action cards, allowing kids to program the chameleon without screens. My kids and I spent hours experimenting with the different play modes: coding mode, wild mode, and pet mode, each offering a unique way to interact with the robot. It was fascinating to see how a simple gesture could trigger a complex reaction from the chameleon. The pros include its screen-free operation, which I love. It encourages kids to think creatively while engaging with the physical world. The assembly is straightforward, and it includes a comprehensive guide that provides insights into both robotics and nature-inspired engineering. However, the need for 4 AAA batteries, which also aren't included, is a minor inconvenience. So why buy this chameleon? If you're after a coding robot that grows with your child, offering multiple play modes while teaching coding fundamentals, this is a great pick. It's an engaging way to introduce kids to programming in a way that feels playful and organic. Product number 3, Learning Resources botley the Coding Robot. botley the Coding Robot was a hit from the moment we unboxed it. Designed for kids aged 5 and up, it's a screen-free coding tool that captivates young minds right away. I loved how easy it was to set up. I didn't even need to read the instructions to get started. The immediate engagement factor is excellent, with simple remote coding capabilities that let kids program botley to navigate through obstacle courses made of the provided tiles. The strengths of botley lie in its versatility and educational value. With 80-step programming capabilities and advanced obstacle detection, it adapts to various skill levels, making it a long-lasting educational tool. However, it requires 5 AAA batteries, which can be a hassle. Some parents might find that the coding cards could use a bit more variety. So, why should you choose botley? If your goal is to introduce your child to coding without screen time while encouraging problem-solving and critical thinking, botley is a fantastic choice. It's fun, educational, and requires no tech gadgets, just pure hands-on learning. Product number 4, Thames & Cosmos Robotics Smart Machines Junior. The Robotics Smart Machines Junior kit was a game changer for our family. Designed for kids 8 and up, it offers an engaging introduction to building and coding. Right out of the box, my kids and I found ourselves putting together a cool 9-inch tall robot that could perform various actions. The block-based coding app was a revelation, allowing them to program up to 200 different actions. Watching them figure out how to make their robot move and respond to commands was a joy. On the pro side, the dual play options are great. You can either use built-in buttons for screen-free play or opt for the app for more complex programming. This flexibility accommodates different learning styles. On the flip side, the app might be a bit complex for younger kids, and some of the components are a tad fragile, requiring careful handling. So why consider this kit? If you're looking for a comprehensive and interactive introduction to robotics, this kit is perfect. It not only builds coding skills, but also exercises problem solving and critical thinking, making it a valuable addition to your child's learning experience. Product number 5. Learning Resources Botley 2.0 Activity Set. The Botley 2.0 Activity Set was an absolute delight to explore. With 78 pieces, it offers a wealth of opportunities for creative coding adventures. What I loved most is how it allows kids to code right out of the box with fun interactions, transforming Botley into different characters like a train or police car. The expanded coding styles, including music and lights, really added an extra layer of fun. My kids were enthralled by how they could program Botley to perform a little dance or light show. The pros are abundant. It's engaging, easy to use, and fosters creativity while teaching coding fundamentals. The only downside I found was that it also requires 5 AAA batteries, which can be a slight inconvenience. Plus, the complexity of some features may require adult supervision at times. If you're looking to give your kids a gift that combines fun with learning, the Botley 2.0 Activity Set is an excellent choice. It introduces STEM concepts in an entertaining way, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. To wrap it up, if you're looking for engaging, educational robots that teach coding and STEM principles, these 5 options have you covered. Each one offers a unique experience that's sure to inspire your kids. Whether it's the hands-on assembly of the TeachTech Mech 5 or the creative coding of Botley 2.0, you can't go wrong. Happy coding!